The power just went out. Your kitchen looks full. Rice, pasta, canned goods, even frozen meat. But there's no stove. No electricity. No plan. Most of that food just became useless. This is when 12 no-cook foods prove their real worth. Foods that need zero prep. Zero heat. Just open and eat. Let's start counting down. Number 12, crackers. Just $3 to $5 a box. Doesn't sound impressive. But watch what happens. You open a pouch of tuna. Alone, it's hard to finish. Add a cracker. Suddenly it feels like a real meal. Crackers turn tuna, soup, beans, even peanut butter into something easier to eat. They're standard in military MREs for this exact reason. Moisture content sits at only 2 to 4%. That means serious shelf life. A 16-ounce box holds nearly 2,000 calories. Properly sealed, saltines last 9 months to over a year. Pilot bread and hardtack last even longer. One mistake to avoid: soft, buttery, or filled crackers. They absorb moisture fast and spoil quickly. Stick with hard varieties built for survival, not snacking. Number 11, canned fruit. By day 3 of an outage, hunger isn't the problem anymore. Boredom is. Crackers, jerky, tuna, beans. Your taste buds shut down. That's where canned peaches, pineapple, or fruit cocktails step in. A 15-ounce can cost $2 to $4. It delivers 200 to 350 calories. But here's the secret. The liquid inside matters too. Around 100 to 150 milliliters of juice. Loaded with natural sugar and vitamin C. Most people pour it down the drain. Don't. When clean water gets scarce, that liquid becomes valuable. Avoid cans labeled heavy syrup. Too much added sugar for little benefit. Choose fruit packed in 100% juice instead. Mix it with soaked oats. Or pair it with crackers. It resets your appetite and everything else tastes the same. Number 10, instant oats. Your propane runs out. Your battery stove dies. Most people assume oats need boiling water. Wrong. Try the cold soak method instead. Add cold water. Seal it. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. Hikers have used this trick for years to save fuel. The numbers back it up. 100 grams delivers 380 calories. Nearly 13 grams of protein. 10 grams of fiber. A large bag costs just $4 to $6. That's over 10 meals for pennies each. Oats contain beta-glucan. This gives them a low glycemic index. No sugar crash. Just steady energy for 4 to 6 hours straight. Perfect for cleanup work, long lines, or endless waiting. And there's a hidden bonus. A warm bowl of oats feels normal. Familiar. Comforting. That feeling alone can keep people calm during chaos. Combine oats with peanut butter, canned fruit, or nuts. No cooking required. A complete meal in minutes. 3 foods down. 9 more waiting. But your body still needs something crackers and fruit can't give you. Real, lasting protein. And the next food on this list proves just how much power fits inside a single handful. You're packing a bug-out bag. Water, meds, flashlights already fill it. Every ounce of food now has to earn its place. That's where nuts shine. Number 9, mixed nuts. Just 100 grams delivers 550 to 600 calories. Nearly a full meal in one handful. Most of that comes from healthy fat, plus protein and carbs. Perfect for long walks. Heavy loads. Uncertain meal times. No bulky packaging. No mess. Just portion and go. One mistake ruins it fast though. Buying one giant bag to save money. Air, heat, and moisture turn nuts stale and rancid quickly. Choose smaller resealable packs instead. Lightly salted, not heavily salted. Because salt makes you thirstier, and water is precious. Mix a handful into oats. Pair it with canned fruit. Fast fuel, minimal weight. Number 8, protein bars. Sometimes you don't lack food. You lack time. Driving out of a blackout zone. Standing in supply lines. Your body's fading, but sitting for a real meal isn't an option. One bar delivers 200 to 250 calories. 10 to 20 grams of protein. Costs about $2 to $4. Fits in a pocket. No prep, no mess, just tear and eat. But watch the label carefully. Many protein bars are packed with sugar and little actual protein. Look for at least 10 grams of protein per bar. Around 200 calories. Skip anything starting with syrup or sugar on the ingredients list. Avoid chocolate-coated bars in hot vehicles. They melt fast. Number 7, jerky. Long before refrigerators existed, people dried meat to survive journeys. The method still works today. 100 grams of jerky delivers 40 to 50 grams of protein, plus 300 to 350 calories. Sealed packages last 1 to 2 years. Lighter than canned meat. Easier to portion. Perfect for backpacks. But there's a catch: sodium. Too much salt means too much thirst. And water might already be limited. Choose jerky where meat is the first ingredient. Less sugar. Reasonable sodium. Tender varieties work better for older adults. Pair it with crackers. Wrap it in a tortilla. Add it to soup for a complete meal. Number 6, tortillas. Picture this: a can of tuna, a can of beans, some jerky. Eaten separately, they get boring fast. Add one tortilla, everything changes. Tuna becomes a wrap. Beans become filling. A pack of 8 to 10 tortillas costs just $3 to $5. Delivers around 1,200 calories total. Flour tortillas work best. Soft, flexible, and still good cold. Corn tortillas crack easily and taste worse cold. Store them sealed and dry to prevent sticking. Combine tortillas with tuna and beans. Or peanut butter and nuts. Or jerky. Fast, portable, mess-free meals with zero cooking. 4 foods down, 4 to go. We've covered energy and protein. But what happens when your body stops wanting to chew at all? The next food solves a problem almost nobody prepares for. Day 3 of a crisis hits different. You're not starving anymore. You're just exhausted. Chewing feels like too much effort. That's exactly when this next food becomes essential. Number 5, ready-to-serve canned soup. Stress kills appetite fast. Warm, soft food becomes easier to handle than crackers or jerky. Not because it's more nutritious. Because your body actually wants it. One can delivers 200 to 300 calories. Plus 200 to 250 milliliters of broth. Costs just $2 to $4. And here's the key detail most people miss. Not every soup needs heating. Look for ready to serve or do not add water labels. Eat it straight from the can. But avoid condensed soup by mistake. It requires extra water you might not have. Choose pull tab lids so no can opener is needed. Crumble crackers into it. Add canned beans to make it filling. Number 4, canned beans. Days of eating crackers and starchy food creates a hidden problem. Your digestion slows down. Energy gets unpredictable. One can of beans delivers 350 to 400 calories. Nearly 20 grams of protein. 15 to 18 grams of fiber. That fiber matters more than people realize. Fresh vegetables disappear during emergencies. Water intake drops. Constipation becomes a real issue. Beans solve both problems at once. Skip dried beans for emergencies. They need soaking, water, and fuel to cook. Choose low-sodium canned beans with pull-tab lids instead. Already cooked. Ready straight from the can. Mix with tuna. Add to soup. Wrap in a tortilla. Number 3, tuna or salmon pouches. Imagine grabbing supplies in seconds. The can opener is missing. That's when a tear-open pouch saves the moment. Each pouch delivers 17 to 20 grams of protein. 80 to 100 calories. Zero cooking needed. After days of rice and pasta, your body craves real amino acids. Fish restores that balance fast. Salmon specifically brings more omega-3s, DHA, and EPA than most tuna. That means sharper focus when you need it most. Pouches beat cans here. Lighter, flatter, easier to pack. No can opener required. Check for vacuum pouch or easy tear labels. Confirm the seal isn't swollen or torn. Wrap it in a tortilla. Mix it with beans. Eat it with crackers when time is short. We now have protein, fiber, and carbs covered completely. But 2 foods remain. One delivers a shocking concentration of pure energy. The other eliminates decision-making entirely when your brain is too exhausted to think. These final 2 foods are exactly why this list exists. 2 sleepless nights. Stress piling up. Even eating a full meal feels impossible. That's when 2 tablespoons change everything. Number 2, peanut butter. Just 2 tablespoons deliver nearly 200 calories. 7 grams of protein. 16 grams of fat. In a few bites. It's not the highest protein food on this list. That's not the point. Its real power is calorie density with zero cooking. A 16-ounce jar holds over 2,700 calories total. Enough for dozens of servings. When appetite drops from stress, forcing down a big meal isn't realistic. A spoonful of peanut butter is. Pair it with water since it's thick and hard to swallow alone. Spread it on crackers for something quick. Roll it in a tortilla for an easy meal on the move. Mix it into oats to boost calories fast. One packaging tip matters here. Skip glass jars. They're heavy and break easily during travel. Natural peanut butter separates and needs stirring, which is inconvenient in the dark. Choose plastic jars instead. Practical and durable. Now, the final item. The one that answers every question at once. Number 1, ready-to-eat emergency meals. MREs. Picture this. An evacuation order just hit. Power's out. Your car leaves in minutes. Rice and beans sit on the shelf, but nothing's ready to eat. This is the moment MREs exist for. Tear it open. Eat immediately. No combining ingredients. No decisions. Just one complete meal already assembled. Each MRE delivers anywhere from 500 to 1200 calories. Properly stored in a cool, dry place, many last 3 to 5 years. But the real value isn't on the nutrition label. After hours of stress, searching for shelter, checking on family, even deciding what to eat becomes exhausting. And MRE removes that burden completely. One common myth to clear up. Self-heating MREs don't always require water. Many taste perfectly fine at room temperature too. The heater just improves the experience, it isn't mandatory. Look for ready-to-eat labels. Confirm the packaging shows no swelling, punctures, or leaks. And there it is. 12 foods. 0 cooking required. Together, they form a complete survival system. Calories, protein, fiber, and fast energy, all covered. But remember this. Preparation was never about filling every shelf in your pantry. It's about choosing foods that actually work when the power goes out and the stove goes cold. Foods that are practical. Foods that are fast. Foods with a clear purpose. Not to live in fear. But so when a hard day comes, you can open that pantry with total confidence. And know exactly what to grab first. So here's a question for you. If you could only keep 3 items from this entire list, which 3 would you choose? And what's one emergency food your family always stocks that we didn't mention today? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other prepare smarter.